Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. So we wanted to break with our normal videos here just to stop and take a moment to tell everyone how much we appreciate all the support, all the people that have subscribed and commented. We are creeping in on something like 7,000 subscribers now, and we never would have thought that, you know, just talking about things we do in our life and reviewing parts of our life would kind of pick up this much steam. Obviously we try and make content that's not only, you know, beneficial to you, but as well as just showing you basically how we live day to day and kind of sharing that, and we get a lot of feedback from that. So I mean, we really appreciate all the support. I really didn't think this channel would take off the way it has, but B, we wanted to like ensure that we are going to continue to put out a lot of good quality content. We've got a lot of good ones in the pipe right now. Some of the stuff that we're working on obviously is more firewood related, but
more recipes, more gig works. There's some other apps that we actually do that we want to bring to you guys and let you see how those work.
Yep, and also more of the tiny house and the heating system for the tiny house, and so many other things coming down the pipe. Tons of content we're piling up right now. And even in the winter, we're going to have some pretty interesting things for you guys. Even some stuff that's really going to save you money in your day-to-day life, because obviously we all realize this winter is not going to be an easy one. So with that said, we just wanted to really take time and tell you guys we appreciate you. We appreciate all of your comments, all of your support, the people that subscribed. We greatly appreciate it. And it seems like every day this family's growing. So we figured before we run out to do some more gig work tonight, that we would take a moment and kind of come to you and tell you guys how much we appreciate you. So with that said, if you are not already a part of this family, and I don't know why you wouldn't be, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a like, let us know in the comments if you're a subscriber or not, and honey,
we will see you in the next one.